Hello students, I welcome you all to this video lecture on GST Act 2017. In this video lecture, we are discussing illustration 9, which was asked in May 2019 by Mangalore University to MCOM students. So, Sri Lakshmi is a registered dealer in Karnataka. From the following particulars, find out taxable turnover and CGST, SGST payable under GST Act. Body and lotion creams worth rupees 5,24,000 sold to a registered dealer within the state. CGST, SGST 14%. This is very simple. They have given the amount, they have given the percentage. Only thing you have to do is you have to see whether you have to pay tax or not, and then if you have to pay tax, just apply the amount and the tax rate. Speaker and monitors worth rupees 2,20,000 were transferred to their branch at Mandya. This is important. The registered dealer is in Karnataka and it is being supplied within the same state, that is branch transfer of products or goods has happened within the same state. So what should you do? Will you consider this as a taxable supply? No, this will not be considered as a supply at all. So leave it as it is. Cell phones worth rupees 1,60,000 were sold within the state. So within the state, CGST, SGST 6% each. Very important. Even here they have given 14%. That doesn't mean you will divide the 14% into half and give 7% to CGST, 7% to SGST. No, 14% to CGST, 14% to SGST. Totally 28%. Okay. Even here 6% CGST, 6% SGST. So totally 12%. Frozen vegetables worth rupees 54,000 are sold within the state. Once again, frozen, fresh vegetables are exempt from taxation, but frozen vegetable means there is an unnatural process that it has gone through. So you have to pay tax 2.5% each. Buttermilk is exempt from tax worth rupees 45,000 were transferred to their branch at Davangere. So not required at all. Even if it was taxable, nothing would have happened because branch transfer has happened within the same state. So not a supply. Sale of motor spirit to a registered dealer in Bellary. Does motor spirit come under the purview of GST? No. So it will not be taxable. It cannot be taken at all. We cannot take this particular transaction under GST at all. Sale of bangles to a registered dealer in Mangalore. So bangles are exempted from taxation. Now let's go to the solution directly. Very simple this problem is. So first body and lotion cream. 5,42,000 is the taxable turnover. 28% is the rate of GST. 14% each you'll get 75,880. Next one, transferred speakers and monitors within the state, because within the state transfer has happened, it is not taxable at all. The next one, cell phones within the state have been sold. 1,60,000 is the taxable turnover. 12% is the rate of tax. In textbook they have given you the tax rate applicable to each of the type of GST. Have given the total GST rate so that there is no confusion to you. This has to be divided into half. Okay, we have done that. We have done likewise in the class also. Frozen vegetables sold within the state, so CGST, SGST will be applicable. 5% is the total rate of GST divided by half, that is 2.5% on 54,000. Buttermilk exempt. Motor spirit does not come under the purview of GST at all. Bangles are also exempt. So total CGST, SGST payable, that is what they have asked us. So 86,830 will be the tax amount. Along with that, taxable turnover has also been asked. So the taxable turnover is 7,56,000. CGST, SGST 86,830, 86,830. Please cross check the amounts because there is a mistake which is there in your textbook, because they have taken 1,60,000 into 16% is what they have taken. It should be 12%. So please cross check that. Thank you.